Right, boys and girls, welcome back to another motovlog. We're heading into London. I'm going to the 𝗦cie store because they've got a massive sale on at the moment, so I want to see what they've got for me, see what levers they've got. Yeah, I mean, if you saw my Instagram, I'll throw out some pictures. Like we've been posting. This is more than I ever posted when I had my STs. So yeah, I mean, we're going to go see 𝗦𝗦 today. Or 𝗦𝗦, however you want to pronounce it. We're going to go do a photo shoot for this jumper I'm wearing, which is two-wheeler. You probably know him if you're in the bike scene in London. We did get some the other day, but the ISO was a little bit messed up on the camera, so they come out a bit too grainy, not professional enough for him. So we're going to retake them today, get some more photos, and just get seat time. I keep saying this, I just want to get seat time. Today's a nice day. It's 11 degrees out. It's very windy. It's like 60 mph winds. I've almost been blown off my bike on a roundabout earlier. But, you know, more seat time the better, even in drastic weather changes like this, like cold, snowy, icy, whatever. It's all going to be good for when summer comes and I'll be a better rider for it. So, without further ado, let's ride to 𝗦cie. So I thought I'd take this time to basically explain, like, or, you know, say what I've done since passing my test, like what I've learned, what I've been learning, what I need to still learn, and, you know, just all things like confidence and road safety, I guess. Yeah, so first thing, I'm so much more confident gear changes, using the clutch and so on. I'm going to sit in traffic for a second just whilst I talk to you, so I'm not distracted whilst filtering, because I'm still working on the filtering. I can filter. I'm more confident when I'm with people who are on bigger bikes, because if they can fit, I can fit, because I'm a lump. But yeah, it's honestly, it's just getting more seat time. So for me, I think it's a confidence thing. I'm going for someone that used to go around in basically a bulletproof shell in a car. Oh, that's an awful pothole. Yeah, I'm someone that used to go around in a car that's basically like a big metal box that protects you from everything, wind, the weather, other road users, like everything. So now I'm on a bike where it's literally, I'm just a skeleton on a bike. Like everything affects me, like the wind, like I'm swaying left and right today because it's so windy. Water, like the back tyre slips out on roundabouts if it's too wet or icy. So there's so much to learn. But so what I've learned so far, so just not pulling the clutch in all the way. So I noticed before I do this all the way, whereas now I'm a bit more, I mean I still do it sometimes, but I'm a bit more like, when I change gear, I only pull it in to the point where the bike point is. So like here, knock up, and I'm in, instead of pulling it all the way back. I can clutchless shift. I don't know whether that's a thing you need to learn, but I mean, it's good if you want to get up to speed quite quick and you don't want to touch the clutch. There's like no delay. I mean, these probably aren't things like you need to learn every day. Like these are probably like things I'm just learning because I'm being told to by like people in my riding group and stuff. So that's another thing I suggest as well. Join a riding group. There's so much information in them. Like they're not all like hooligans and ASBO. Like the one I'm in, which is Ride Free, I'll put their Instagram on the screen. They do like ride free cars, ride free clothing, ride free bikes, but they're all so knowledgeable. Like a lot of them do like track days. You might have seen like this one guy on Officially Gassed with the Hayabusa recently, the 400 brake supercharged Hayabusa. 1 unit 101, I believe his name is on Instagram. Big D, as everyone refers to him, because he is an absolute giant. But yeah, join one of these groups, man. Anytime you want information, they are there. Like if you want to buy the best clothing, or do you want to get an opinion on clothing, like my Knox Honister jacket I got, one of the people in the group like basically explained like the difference between that and the Urbane Pro 2 and the Alpine Stars Halo jacket. Obviously now I've got this Knox jacket. I mean, I did get it really cheap. It was like $265, and it's AAA rated, reduced from £380. So there's a lot of information in these groups. I mean, I wouldn't say stay away from the Facebook ones, but seems to be a lot of people on Facebook just really bitchy. So try and get into one of these like WhatsApp group with like the Instagram pages, like ones that's there for bikers to learn. There's a lot of new riders in that group and a lot of experienced riders, so it helps. Another thing as well, I'm learning so much maintenance about my bike. I knew a lot about cars and working on them and maintenance, and then when I moved to bikes, I stripped this bike apart and rebuilt it. So I learned a lot anyway. But actual maintenance, like lubing up the chain and cleaning it and stuff like that, there is so much more to learn, and there's a lot more regular maintenance. Like you should clean your chain like every 1 to 2 weeks. Like when do you have to do that on a car? You don't. So there is loads of little things. Just checking your tyres, tread, check for nails all the time. You do not want nails in your tyre, especially on a bike, because you've only got 2. So keep an eye out for those. Things I want to learn, I'm not going to sit here and say I want to learn how to wheelie and stuff, although I do. I can't really do that on this bike anyway, but I really want to get on track days. A lot of people I know that done track days say doing like 3 to 4 track days is like 5 years experience on the road. You learn so much to like control the bike, lean around corners. Like don't get me wrong, like the UK roads are not like racetracks, but just little things that you learn that will help you out down the line is worthwhile. So it is a good job just to learn those little things. And yeah, getting out on the track there, I mean, you'll learn loads. Look boys, look at me filtering to the front where I'm safe. I'll go here on the left. A good video actually to learn how to filter. TK Rides. He's got a really good like filtering video through London, and also what to carry on your bike in case of like an emergency, like if you break down, get like a punctured tire. Like he's got really good videos like that, like more education based content, which is really helpful, especially in the UK, because there's not a lot of it, if I'm honest. Every time I look up, it's mainly to do with like Mod 1, Mod 2 CPT. It's never really on the road stuff. But I'll catch you guys when we get to maybe the Dji store or something like that. So I shall see you guys in a second. Okay, man. Long, innit?
Meet at 12, yeah? You don't want to be late.
Want to go straight now?
Yeah.
40 minutes, bro.
You're going to use your actual CC now.
So boys, we have a little bit of a problem. As you see there, I had to use my front brake. My back brake, didn't notice it on the way out, but the back brakes are rubbing metal on metal. So if you look down there, they're like really thin. So we're going to attempt to replace them on the side of the road in a bit, or go back to John's house. Right boys, so yeah, we're going to go Dji's. When I get to Dji's, I'm going to sort out where I could buy some brake pads, and then we're going to go fix my brakes, because this is bad. I think they were some cheap pads, or maybe I've just like been holding the back brake way too much to the point where it's like worn down to a crisp. But we shall see, we shall see. Once I change the brakes, I'll be able to try and work out what's wrong. Bike bike shop. Literally sold me them there on the spot, decent price, no ripping off. So highly recommend if you're in the London area and you need some brakes and oil or anything really quick. So now we're going to the 𝗦cie now to retake these photos. Check your maps things for Robbie.
He's at the lights that we just went past. I just said hi to the next moto.
Oh yeah, me too, me too.
Where the fuck is the R1? I don't understand. How is he that slow?
Bro, I'm on it.
There he is.
I'm on it.
Come on.
What time is this? I'm gonna wheelie it. I'm gonna wheelie. Oh right, it has the R1 like at the back of the subframe, the rear subframe on the swing arm. Sorry. What the fuck? Right boys, so we're at the 𝗦cie to take some photos and some reels and some thingies for two-wheeler. Got the R1 and the SV, so we'll take some sick photos hopefully, if John's camera's not broken. But yeah, I shall show you the aftermath on the video. Whereas 𝗦cie said he would just install them for £10. Like, what the hell? £10 to install some brake pads. He said it takes 10 minutes. I said, okay, mate. We'll do that. This guy always goes the wrong way. So check them out. If you are in London, if you're stuck, you want to service, you want to repair, this guy's getting his brake levers done. So yeah, check them out boys and girls, because you never know. But yeah, we're on our way now to Enhanced Studios because my man's got a fat plate. So we're going to go get him a small one. Right boys, so we just finished up at Enhanced Studios. Robbie's got a new plate! Finally, look, this looks so much better. Come on! So we're now going for food because we're starving. So we're heading to Holborn. Get some munch. I think we're going GDK or something, I don't know. I've never had it. So again boys, shout out to 𝗦cie Bikes, get me back on the road. That brake pedal's feeling nice now, all fixed now, cheap as well boy, not cheap but like good value for money. Like he charged me 20 quid for the pads and then £10 to fit, but I gave him a tip and told me to charge me 20 because he fitted me in so quickly, because I brought the pads, drove off, came back an hour later and then got fit then and there. So that's good customer service. That's what we like.
You're on a sport bike, innit? You're on a sport bike, go out the drop curb there. I'm going to smack out the pavement. Right, Robbie will follow you.
Wait, what?
Go out the drop curb. Going back round.
Hi boys, so we arrived. German 𝗦ci𝗰𝗶𝗹. So this is dinner. Ooh, I'm gonna get those donut bites. Come on. Alright, see you boys in a bit. Alright boys, I need to get fuel. Look, flashing light, flashing light. Can't remember how many miles that means I've got left. But we're gonna get fuel now, so. Right boys, so yep, getting fuel. Then go Bar Italia, and then I'm going home. Because I'm tired, and I'm seeing my wifey tomorrow.
Are you fucking blind? You can't see me!
Did bro want to kill me?
Bro, you see him? You love that kill switch, innit?
Come on!
Come on.
Loud pipes! Save lives! Oi! My man just dashed it through a red light.
Huh?
The guy that was on the motorbike that skipped, he just dashed it through a red light. No! Plate open!
Where's Robbie?
Right boys, so we went Bar Italia, no one's here, so we're going to head to the bike shed. See if anyone's there, grab a drink, and then I'm going to head home, because I've never been bike shed.
What's worth most when they're dressed in all black, you can't see shit.
Who's got the bigger bangs?
Huh?
Who's got the bigger bangs? Ah. Boys, I know my bike's not louder than Robbie's. Robbie's got an R1, I'm on a dinky V-twin. It's the lineup, boys. All poppers today. Not really a sports bike yet. Is that no sports bike, mate? It's dead. Right boys, so we're heading home now. We've got an hour long journey, look. Gonna get home at 9 PM. I've been out since 12. Actually like 20 to 12, half 11. Oh, a long day but worth it. Like I said before at the start of the video, I wanted seat time, I'm getting it. Although now I've got back pain. So yeah.